Another great way to earn income with your YouTube videos is to be sponsored by companies and for them to basically pay you just for talking about their product. So this is called sponsorships and brand deals, and there are many ways to connect with these brands. There's dozens of websites in which influencers, which is basically you, and brands, these companies, can connect with each other. And usually in these platforms, the brand will post a job and invite influencers to apply. So you would submit a proposal, and if accepted, you and the brand discuss more details and the payment. And if you do get approved, you post your content on YouTube and the brand pays you. And there are popular websites for finding brands, and a couple of these are FameBit and Grapevine. You can also hustle and use Google to find even more brands. When you first email these brands, you have 10 seconds to grab their attention. So tell them who you are and how you can bring value to them. And remember, it doesn't really matter how good your idea is, it matters how detailed it is to their needs. You can also give them a preview of the type of video that you're going to create for them. In terms of getting paid, don't be the first to give your price. Instead, ask them what their budget is and that you'd love to work around their budget. Before you charge brands for your services, it's important to know your worth so you can be confident in what you charge companies. Because you know what? You may be more valuable than you perceive. Think of it this way. It costs a lot of money for companies to create content. You have to pay money to hire actors, etc. And they see a lot of value in your channel because you're creating the content for them already. And brands spend thousands of dollars on ad spots on social media that don't convert much anyway, so they're used to spending a lot of money. Now keep in mind, the more specific your niche is, or the more targeted that your YouTube channel is, the more money you're worth. So even if you have a small channel, you're possibly worth more than a channel that is not in a specific niche. There are actually some YouTubers who have small channels who are earning a full-time income because their niche is very specific. So if you do have a specific niche, try to deal with the brands who are targeting your specific audience, not the brands who are just trying to target a general niche, because you'll get paid more from these brands.